Skyler Mack, the Maple Leaf Mercenary. We've seen him a few times here at PWF, yet to score a victory. Still looking for that elusive victory, though.
Looking to change that here tonight.
Facing off against someone else that I've had a hand in training. He's a current student here at the Carolina Wrestling Academy.
Oh my God. Is that Sawdust Mills?
Sawdust Mills.
Sawdust Mills.
Sawdust Mills making his debut in the PWF here, I believe, last December. Skyler Mack throwing the jersey at Sawdust.
It's going to be very interesting to see which one of these men win this singles contest here.
Sawdust recently saw him facing guys like Kurt Robinson. I believe he faced Trevor Outlaw. Could be wrong. Could be. That was way in December. I don't remember. I've been hitting the head way too many times since December. Oh my!
Wait, what?
Not this clown! Oh my God! Why is he here?
What is he? This is supposed to be a singles match.
Ryan Galeone. Why is Ryan Galeone here?
What is happening, bro?
Ryan Galeone just throwing the door open, dressed to compete. This is a singles match.
Big Red, our official, saying, I'm not going to tell him no. Look at him.
I mean, I can't argue with you, Big Red. Big Red, not a competitor just yet.
I have received confirmation from Chief Official Big Red. This is not a triple threat match.
Wait, a triple threat?
A triple threat?
What is why? What?
What do you mean, no? What did he just say?
Did he say? No, he didn't just say he wanted both.
Did he just say he wants them both? Excuse me? I don't know, dude. I'm up here.
We don't know.
I received update from Chief Official Big Red. This is now a handicap match.
A handicap match?
What?
A handicap match?
Galeone not even scheduled to compete tonight.
What is? So now this completely changes everything, Post.
This has nothing to do. I'm not prepared for this. It's not anywhere in my notes.
Nowhere in mine either. Skyler Mack though doesn't care who he's facing.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! That wasn't the smartest decision, Skyler.
Ryan Galeone has recently aligned himself with the Kingsgate. Seem to be lining his pockets with money.
They're Barry Bonds in it right now. They're calling their shot. Up, Skyler Mack just threw him to the wolves.
Skyler Mack leaving Sawdust out to dry.
I don't think Ryan has any chance of stopping if he wants to just absolutely put a beating on Sawdust Mills.
Oh my God. Ducks the line.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
All you're doing is pissing him off.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Sawdust, no. Sawdust got to find a way out. Oh my God. Thunderous chop.
Uh-oh, Skyler. Oh, he got him by the goozle.
Oh, Skyler dropped once again.
Oh my God. They are absolutely lit up right now. What is he thinking about? A little miscommunication here from these two. Skyler Mack here. Wait, no. Sawdust Mills throwing Skyler Mack into the ring now. And he has just led him. No. Sawdust Mills right there had a clear game plan. It was a distraction ploy, and now Sawdust Mills and Skyler Mack taking advantage of this 2-on-1 situation. Oh, big back elbow there from Sawdust Mills, and Skyler Mack charging in right after.
Look at these guys. Look what happens when you guys work together. Sawdust looking for a big one.
Taking a lot too much time. What a kick.
The scary athleticism of Ryan Galeone clearing the ropes entirely with the height on that drop kick.
Oh my, he just grabbed him by the mush.
Sawdust gut checks him there. Sawdust could be looking for the log switch.
Oh, no, 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 no,
God.
no.
Oh!
Dropping him down there onto the mat. Ryan Galeone now coming over to Sawdust Mills, just putting boots to him, Bo.
Driving the boot into the jaw of Sawdust in the corner. Oh, just toss him like a sack of potatoes.
Going for the cover. 1, 2, no! A kick out at 2 there. Sawdust Mills showing heart here in this one.
I'm not even really sure what Sawdust would be to do in this match. Sawdust is more of a grappler, submission specialist, likes that Fujiwara armbar. Had a little bit of training in Japan before he made his way to us here in the Carolina Wrestling Academy. Mason Miles, I believe, just entered the building here to cheer on his muscle in Ryan Galeone. Oh, stiff uppercut from Galeone, drops Sawdust Mills. Like I said, Sawdust Mills, you're not gonna submission work a guy with the size and strength of Ryan Galeone. It's just not gonna happen for Sawdust.
As Mason Miles is walking around the ring, he grabbed Skyler Mack by the hair and yanked on him as well.
Sawdust not letting his disadvantage deter him though.
Oh no.
Whips him off. Oh! Stiff forearm shot.
1, 2.
Skyler thought about breaking up the pin.
And then he stopped.
Oh my God!
Absolutely got leveled.
Skyler trying to mind games. Trying to play mind games with Galeone.
No.
Oh my God!
Jawbreaker there. Skyler Mack has him in his sights. Oh!
Turning that forearm. Back elbow. Come on, Skyler. Oh! Bicycle knee!
Combination offense from Skyler Mack, but he gets ducked to the outside. Sawdust Mills now throwing every shot he can.
The numbers game is starting to get to Galeone.
Sawdust Mills off the top. No, comes back in.
Oh my God! He hits the axe handle!
An absolutely impressive axe handle. Damn near might be the most impressive axe handle I've ever seen thrown. But you'd expect nothing else from somebody named Sawdust Mills.
Sawdust knows all about those axe handles. Looking for the log switch once again.
Yelling out timber, maybe poetic for the big man that he's facing. Oh my God!
Freaking way!
He got that man.
Hey, he throws logs for a living. Of course, he can get somebody up like someone like Ryan Galeone up.
That was insane.
Sawdust using every single ounce of strength left in his body to get Ryan Galeone up and down for that. I believe it was a brain buster, not the log switch. I don't know what he normally looks for.
Going all the way up does Sawdust Mills, but also Skyler Mack starting to climb. Oh, Sawdust Mills here.
Oh, another axe handle, this time off the top. Skyler Mack.
Going all the way up.
Oh, there's a swanton. This could be it. Double cover.
No.
Oh, my God.
He kicked out of both of them, though.
Only a 2. A double stack and only a 2.
He was able to kick out from both of them.
Oh, my God.
What else are you supposed to do if you're Sawdust Mills and Skyler Mack?
I'm surprised Sawdust is even moving right now. Like I said, the strength is there, but it definitely wasn't easy for him.
The athleticism from Sawdust Mills is absolutely impressive as well.
Oh. One more axe handle. Skyler. Oh, another axe handle. Just keep spamming the axe handles, boys. They're working.
They're doing every single axe handle they've ever known to mankind here. Another one. One more. Together.
Pinky
promises. We got pinky promises, Bo.
They're going up. We'll be looking for a double axe handle.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God, Ryan Galeone.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh! Double electric chair. Ryan Galeone. I don't know if that's ever been done ever.
Dropping Skyler Mack and Sawdust Mills together. There's a reason why there's power on his ass. That man is strong.
He's got power in his ass and rage in his eyes. He's looking to finish him off.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Powerbomb. Oh my God.
Oh my God, excuse me.
He threw a man into another man.
Oh my God, the disrespect.
No! Sawdust Mills has more hearts than brains, I fear.
Sawdust, I don't know if that was such a good idea, buddy.
He kicked out. No.
Oh!
He's going to put a hole in his chest. Sawdust Mills is not returning to the mill.
Galeone.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, he likes that. Oh my God, it's one of the craziest things I've ever seen.
No!
Springboard cannonball!
Oh my God! And that, my friends, is over.
Oh my God. Jesus. Oh my, I'm speechless. You know, in most 2-on-1 situations, the one is the guy that's at the disadvantage. But I don't believe that was the case here tonight. Sawdust and Skyler Mack almost being able to get the victory over Ryan Galeone against the seemingly new hired muscle of Mason Miles. Dude, why would a guy as powerful and as athletic and just as straight up badass as Ryan Galeone, why would you align yourself with someone like the Kings game?